Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Tales of Angels, and in this video I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a mod for the game which works for both iOS and Android. So if you are looking for a mod for the game, just watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also you how to do it in your own device by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to try to make the video not very long guys. Okay, just enter in the game. And with this mod guys, you're going to be able to get unlimited resources. I'm going to show you right now, as you can see. I'm going to show you how I managed to do this. So basically guys, before you start the whole process, you just need to check one thing in the settings. So basically just scroll it down. Here is App Store, and then you have this automatic downloads here, and make sure you have all these three options active guys. So if you have anyone turned off, make sure you turn it on all of them. So this is for to allow automatic downloads in your device. Okay, and this step is required just if you're using iOS device. If you're using Android, you can skip this part in the settings because Android is a different system. It does it by itself automatically, this process. Okay, the next thing you have to do guys, you have to go to your internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google, you can use any kind of internet browser you prefer to use, and go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. So once you're gonna enter in guys, you're gonna you have a lot of other things you can check, in fact, if you're interested for something else, but I'm gonna use the searching bar not to make the video too long. And here it is, our game. Here you have information about the game and the mod as well, and here in the corner the install button. So basically just continue, and need to continue the steps until the end. You're going to be able to get the mod same as me. So this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before I leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos guys. Cheers.